Before I close this speech, I would like to reflect on something with you and to leave it to you to draw your own conclusions. I believe we are living dark days of our history, where some people are trying to paralyze the proper functioning of our institutions by using partial truth. I am not a politician, but a professional and proud member of the civil society. Ladies and gentlemen, as we move towards this glorious event, calling for the celebration of our 50th journey towards independence, we are finding ourselves questioning and doubting the integrity of individuals and of our institutions. This should be the time for reflecting on our past and our common future and where we want to take the country, where we want our country to be in 50 years' time. We are living at a time where the sitting head of state is undergoing a trial by the press. Imagine, for the entire week, I have been slandered, accused, vilified, judged, and now I'm being sentenced. Where was my crime? When I joined this office, I said right from the beginning that I will do things differently. I come into this office as a scientist, as an entrepreneur, two vital ingredients for the emergence of both Mauritius and the African continent. I partnered with institutions like the London-based charity Planet Earth Institute, along with a partnership with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for advocacy and capacity building in science. In the course of this exercise, I was given a corporate bank card and I have duly refunded everything in full since March 2017. I do not owe anything to anybody. The question I ask myself are the following. 1. Why is this issue coming up now, almost a year later, on the eve of our 50th Independence Day celebration? On the eve of Women's Day celebration, when one is forever talking about women empowerment, my message to all of you, dear sisters, is now. Now is the time to stand up and let your voice be heard. Chers amis, je ne souhaite pas ces moments à mes pires ennemis. Des moments qui portent atteinte à ma dignité de femme, de mère de famille, de la fille que je suis, et mon père est ici, et du professionnel que je reste ce professionnel avec beaucoup de fierté. J'ai ma conscience claire, car je n'ai absolument rien à me reprocher. I leave you all to draw your own conclusions. Thank you very much.